Right, this is a novelty bottle opener. As you can see, it's Thanos' glove, and it cost me just under £6 on Amazon, and I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. It is actually a bottle opener, and I'll prove the point. Alright, this one has been opened, but just to prove the point that it does work. See, that's how it works. So quite easy to use. It is just a novelty really. I quite like the artwork. They spent a bit of time getting the artwork right with the Infinity Stones and that. They look really good. The joins are not fantastic, as you can see. I was a bit disappointed on that, but I did read the reviews on Amazon, and there was some mixed reviews on there. But for £6, I think it looks really good. It's made out of some cast metal. I'm not sure what, but yeah, some sort of cast iron or something. So it's got a little bit of weight to it. It's 8.3 centimetres long and 4 centimetres wide at the base, which is the widest point. The actual gap here is 2.2 centimetres wide and 1.7 centimetres the other way. So they put all the dimensions in there to make it easy for you in case you decide you want to buy it. And look how big it is. So it is quite tiny. But if you're into Avengers, you might like something like this. I like the Avengers, so that's why I bought it. I thought, it looks really good. And I know a few other people who like Avengers as well. So it gets my thumbs up for the artwork and the way they've done the jewels. But it gets a thumbs down for the join. I don't think the join's very good. But, like I said, only cost £6. And it has had a bit of effort put into it, the way they've done it. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. It's not bad actually, nice bit of weight to it. Does it stay?